Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a disappointing day today as, let me take a step back. Disappointing because relative to the context of what things were looking like on Friday afternoon where the volume came pouring in, there was a big spike upwards. Yeah, there was a slight little pullback, but it's still more than valid of, hey, is this thing about to get going again? You know, what exactly is going on with that big spike that occurred on Friday in the afternoon? And yeah, that didn't mean anything. What do I mean it didn't mean anything? Well, the price has quite literally drifted right back to where it was previously to the spike upwards. So I'm not saying that another new spike, another nice bullish movement can never happen. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that this bullish spike here that everybody witnessed on Friday, well, yeah, there just simply wasn't any sort of genuine power behind it because, again, the price has now gone right back to where it already was. And that also brings about a couple of key updates. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line for now. It served its purpose. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's lines in, everywhere you look. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 245 now going to be that main level of resistance that you're going to want to watch very closely. But, that first off requires the price to continue to stabilize and then bounce back upwards. But again, if it can, then yeah, the big question mark right up there around 245 in terms of, can the price, gather up enough momentum and strength to be able to push above that level and then stay up above it. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as supports are concerned, still do have this area down here around the $1.90, but in a more so near-term level of support. So in other words, ideally speaking, it would be best case if the price could stay up above the $2.10 mark. So watch that level, going very forward or very closely going forward. But if the price doesn't quite hold above that level, then again, not quite the end of the world because you still do have that secondary green line down there around the $1.90 mark. But yeah, overall, disappointing way to start the week, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.